Hello and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're taking a look at what could be considered the best remote desktop software for businesses, Laplink PCmover Ultimate 11. Now, if you're in the market for seamless and efficient PC migration, look no further. Laplink PCmover Ultimate 11 offers a comprehensive solution to easily move your applications, files, and settings from an old PC to a new one. What sets PCmover Ultimate 11 apart is its complete selectivity. With just a few clicks, you can choose exactly what you want to transfer, ensuring that your new PC has everything you need without any clutter.
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the ease of use and quick transfer speeds.
Some have even described it as a lifesaver when it comes to setting up a new computer.
And with compatibility for various Windows versions, including Windows 11, along with multiple transfer options such as Ethernet, USB, or Thunderbolt cables, PCmover Ultimate 11 offers flexibility to suit your needs. Now, it's important to address some concerns. While most users have had a smooth experience, a few have reported issues with connectivity or cable functionality. However, these seem to be isolated cases. In conclusion, Laplink PCmover Ultimate 11 stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for PC migration,
making it a top choice for businesses looking to streamline their operations. That wraps up our review of Laplink PCmover Ultimate 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy computing!